Hi, fellow classmates. My name is Carmen Price. Some of you I recognize from previous classes, some of you I don't, so I look forward to getting to know you a little better. The organization that I'm interning for this field placement is a community support program located within a maximum security prison setting. It's a contractor, not an actual state position. And some of the services we provide are substance abuse treatment, mental health treatment, evaluations, and suicide assessments, those type things. What I'm hoping to get out of this field placement, because a lot of our clients are mandated, they're not exactly there of their own free will. I'm looking to find some skills to better engage with them and hopefully get them more willing to accept the treatment that's available, and to help them better their chances of not returning once they are released. How I'm hoping this will differ from my generalist field placement is that during my generalist field placement year, I did get to see some clients one-on-one towards the end of the year, but I was mostly doing kind of the initial intake type paperwork where it was just kind of asking the clients a lot of questions and fill in the blank type forms. Whereas this time I'll still be doing some of that work. Sorry, I have a sinus infection, excuse the sniffles. But I'll also be able to do ongoing treatment with clients. And I've been doing some research into relational therapies and emotive therapy that seems to be very promising when it comes to substance abuse treatment. So I hope to be able to apply some of those interventions and techniques as well. I really look forward to this year, both in practicing the skills that I've learned, and gaining confidence in knowing which skills will work better in which situations. And I also look forward to the discussions with you all and learning from you as well. It's nice to meet you.